that's Tommy. All right, these the rose. You see the rose racing right there. All right, we finna go.
Billionaire road.
Yeah. These are rosés from the black over there to these down here. Come on now. And I got a few more coming today. I wanted them to be in one row, but I had too many. So we had to create 3 rows. I was pissed off, man. I wanted a certain effect. When you come in, you say, damn. You see? Because we really hustling. What's happening? That's what I wanted. I'm pissed off. I wanted them to be in one row, but they couldn't. It's too many. And I'm like, yo, you mean to tell me I couldn't got down, man? And these my Hummers right there. After the Hummers, that's my homie Lynn from Turkey Leg Hut. The Hummer and the tank mine. These mine, the Beamers. These mine over here. These right here. These right here. You see? I wanted y'all to see I just got the interior done. This right here, your mama be in trouble in that bed in the back. Tell your mama I say hit the DM right there. You see? Man, I wanted this to be in the, you know what I'm saying? I got different motorcycles on it. You know what I'm saying?
Port of Miami.
Yeah, the Port of Miami, chopper. This right here, I sat this out here because I want parts for this. I want parts. If you got an LS motor, I'll buy your motor. I'm going to have the stickers on it by tomorrow saying under construction. Like I said, I'm going to have this painted red. This the caddy that need parts. This a clean Barrett's with new Vogue tires. Shout out to Vogue tires. This is a limousine stretch caddy right here. That's a 58. This the baby caddy limousine. This the limousine that probably took your mama to the prom. She probably gave her first blowjob in the back of one of them Lincolns. And then this is the wagon. These are 4-wheelers, you know what I'm saying? Chevy on the go, these. You see the photo, the clean, the Corvette. These are all our toys. Bicycles, you know what I'm saying? Another old, it's a 59 Shasta trailer. They got showers, stoves, beds. This some cool shit on my hippie shit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all smoke something good, you get on your shroom and go on that for 2-3 days. One time for John Deere. When y'all see this, I want y'all to know Rose trying to do business with John Deere, of course. That's why the tractor in the lineup, guys. Please, of course, I love my tractor. John Deere. Hopefully somebody listening tag John Deere. John Deere. Yeah. We got more Bel Air's hard tops. That right there, it's got one of the biggest motors I know. And I just got it in the cut like it's normal, but it's not. It don't take regular fuel. You got to mix 2 different fuels for that right there. But I got it sitting over there like it ain't nothing. You see that? The mini Harley, Rick Ross, and these right here race bikes. It was one of those companies that had all those race bikes on the track was going out of business. I just bought like 20 of them, gave some of them away, kept a few. You know what I'm saying? One time for Coleon Forge, once again, one time for Vogue. These super clean. That's the bulletproof. That's bulletproof. Oh, I want y'all to see that. I want showing y'all all the rails. So yeah, I was pissed off. I had the stage set up right there. I wanted a cool stage. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, it's just a Rolls Royces, 5 of my Rolls Royces out here. Like I say, the plastic coming off all of them tomorrow.